A reference page for an APA format essay is very similar to a works cited page in MLA with some slight changes. Let's take a look at how to add that. Using the template that we've already set up, in which we talked about the title page, the abstract page, the essay itself, we want to start our reference page on a brand new page after the end of our essay. The easiest way to do this is to include it in the same document, go to the end of your essay, and hit Insert, Page Break. For an APA Works Cited page, we're actually going to use the title References. Make sure that we center this up, hit Enter, and then don't forget to hit Left Align. As with MLA, we're going to use hanging indentions, and we'll go back over how to do those in just a moment. We're not going to cover how to do all of the various types of resources you might use in an APA paper. We're simply going to look at the basic format for books. So, for APA, for a book, we're going to use the author's last name. Let's do this as one word just for the ease on the eyes. And then we're going to follow that up with the author's first name, followed by a period. In parentheses, we're then going to add the year of publication, followed by a period. We're then going to add the title of the work, and in this case we're only going to use a capital letter for the first letter of the first word of the title. If the title includes a subtitle, in this case we have a title with one, then we're also going to capitalize the first letter of the first word of that title. And then we'll follow that up with a period. For a longer work such as a book, we want to make sure that we put this in italics. Then we want to type in the place of publication. And I'll type this as one word as well, just so that it looks a little more like what this would look like if we were making an actual citation. We'll follow this up with a colon and the publisher with a period. Now you'll notice here that my font is all left aligned here. My text is all left aligned. I want to highlight all of this, right click, click paragraph, find the section that says special under indentation, and change this to hanging. This should be a 1/2 inch, and click OK. You'll now notice that the second line and lines following are indented by a 1/2 inch. When you have multiple references, you also want to make sure that you alphabetize these by the last name of the author. We will eventually look at some more ways of citing various other resources, but that'll be in a different video. As you can tell, it's very similar to setting up an MLA works cited page if you viewed that video. However, there are some notable differences. First of all, we use the title references as opposed to works cited, and the formatting for the citation itself is a little bit different than MLA. However, do take note that we're using a same standard Times New Roman 12-point font and double spacing that we've used throughout the remainder of our essay. We also want to maintain our running head and page numbers, and don't forget, start your references page on a new page. Thanks for visiting the Isothermal Online Writing Center. We look forward to seeing you the next time we post a video.